We get a lot of people that come in and they don't want to use their brakes. They're thinking, why use my brakes? You know, it just slows you down, right? Got a little secret for you. You gotta use them. I know it's crazy to wrap your head around. You know, you don't want to be that guy who goes out there, spins out, bounces off a wall or two, or just causes all those yellow flags. No, I don't want to be that guy. You don't want to be that guy. We just don't want to be that guy. So let's head over to the track side where we can teach you the proper techniques to braking and how not to be that guy. So you guys will notice we have these 3 yellow braking signs out on our track. Keep in mind, these are brake zones, not brake points. These are general areas on where to brake, rather than braking directly in line with the sign. So as you can see, the guy in the green helmet goes into the left-hand turn, fails to use his brakes, and spins out. And if we watch it again, you'll notice the guy in the white helmet takes it out wide, uses those brakes smoothly inside the braking zone, and makes it around that hairpin easy landings. Thanks for watching, guys. Next video we'll be doing is race line, one of the trickiest parts of our course. Stay tuned. Hope to see you out there.